Hare Krishna. This is our second video in the series Numerology Made Easy. Today we are going to learn how we calculate the Kua number. In the last video, we had provided you a brief introduction of numerology and how we can, say that numerology is a science. We learned the significance of date of birth of an individual that determines the planets which are actually acting on the personality of that individual. And we also learned what planets the numbers represent. And we learned the various, how do we evaluate the various vibrations of the numbers just at the glance of the date of birth. And then we also learned to calculate the driver and conductor parameters on the basis of the date of birth. Now today we are going to learn how to calculate the Kua number. Kua number is based on the birth year and gender. So as you can see that this specific number, this calculation is based on gender of the individual. So that means when we are generating a numeroscope, I had told you in the previous video that we need certain, parameters in order to generate a numeroscope for an individual. This is similar to, the way we generate a horoscope. So in numerology, we generate a numeroscope. So for numeroscope, we need the date of birth and we need driver, conductor and Kua value. So driver, conductor, we already learned how to calculate. And now we are learning the Kua number. So this specific number is based on birth year and gender. What is the formula? How do we calculate it? There are different formulas which are given to calculate the Kua number for male and female. The first step is the same. Okay. What is the first step that we have to perform in order to calculate the Kua number? So first step is you have to reduce the year of birth down to single digit. Okay, this step is common for male and female both. This step is common. Now next, the difference is in the final formula where we are going to use this specific number to calculate the Kua. When you calculate the year of birth and reduce it to single digit, you have to subtract that, that result from 11 to generate the Kua number for male. And for female, you have to add 4 to it. It will be more clear in the subsequent slides where I would be taking a couple of examples. Now see this specific case. A male born on 12th of March 1996 and a female born on 12th of March 1996. So both this male and female are born on the same date. Now if you recall, the calculation of driver and conductor will actually, come out to be the same because we use common formula for driver and conductor. So D and C of this both male and female will be the same, right? Now, Kua number. So this Kua number will actually differentiate between the charts of this male and female. So first step, as I said, is the same. Sum of the digits of birth year reduced to single digit. So here 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 gives 25. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, so we have obtained this single digit 7 by reducing the year of birth. Now, if the native is male, you will subtract this specific number from 11. So here in case of male, Kua is 11 minus 7, which comes out to be 4. And for female, what do? You add a 4 to it. So here it will be 7 plus 4, which comes out to be 11. And 1 plus 1, 2. We are again reducing it to single digit. So here Kua number for male is coming out to be 4. And for female, it is coming out to be 2. Now another example, 5th October 2002. Now see in this case, sum of the digits of the birth year. 2002 is what? 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, which comes out to be 4. Now if person is male, then what you will do? You will do 11 minus 4. And it will give you result as 7. And if female, then you will do what? 4 plus 4. You will add a 4. And 4 plus 4 will give 8. I hope it is clear to you how you have to calculate the Kua number. I would appreciate, you just practice this. Even yesterday, the driver, conductor that we learned to calculate, just calculate driver, conductor and Kua on various date of births. And you can just share it in the comments, what you have been able to calculate. Or you can also send me the snapshots on my WhatsApp number. The number is provided in the comment section. And I would appreciate, as we go ahead and learn day by day, you do your practice regularly on the concept that is being taught and share your learnings, and I will guide you. So next topic will be generating a numeroscope. So this numeroscope that we are going to build is a 3x3 matrix, which is Loshu grid, which is known as Loshu grid. And this is based on the date of birth, driver, conductor, and Kua parameters for an individual. So this we will be taking up in the next session. And I would request you to be ready with your date of birth, D, C, and K calculations. And as I teach the generation of the Loshu grid, you try on your date of births so that the subject matter is clear to you. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hare Krishna.